Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Global Chartist. My name is Tarun Kalia and today we will talk about our series Stock of the Week. So today I have come up with two stocks. The first stock is Inox Leisure. Okay, so Inox Leisure has, it has taken a support on daily technical chart around 320 levels, and stock is in a consolidation zone also. If it holds 320, we can see it can test 335 levels, which is a resistance also. It can be a minor resistance, or you can say it will give a breakout after consolidation above 335. If it sustains above 335, there is a possibility stock can test new 52-week high also. And on weekly chart also, Inox Leisure has formed a rounding bottom formation, but after giving a breakout of rounding bottom formation, the stock has again came into the consolidation zone, and now stock is about to form a cup and handle breakout. And if it sustains above 335 levels, there is a possibility that stock can test 360 375 level with the support at 320, minor support, and the major support at 300 levels. And if it sustains above 375, there is a possibility stock can test 420 450 levels also. And the next stock which I came up with is Dhani Services. See, the Dhani Services has formed a rectangle pattern breakout also. It has formed a triangle pattern breakout also, but the pattern breakouts will be confirmed only above 370 375 levels. Okay, the moment it will sustain above 370 375 level, there is a possibility stock can test 400 420 plus levels with the support at 330 320 levels also. And the stock has formed a breakout on weekly charts also of rounding bottom formation, and there is a possibility if it sustains above my given levels 73 75, there is a possibility that stock can outperform, and it can test 440 450 levels, 500 levels also, with a very good support at 3 uh, 320 levels, 320 330 levels at the support, and there's a possibility it can outperform. See, for both the stocks, time horizon will be 3 to 6 months, and both the stocks are into the cash segments as of now. So, and they are looking good on technical charts also. You can also check at your end, and you can take your decision for both the stocks. And next week we will again meet you with our new video, and soon I'm launching my new series Stock of the Day also. So I will try to post one or two scripts daily for you all, and Nifty and Bank Nifty levels also. So stay tuned. Thank you. Keep and please do subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Telegram channel also, Global Chartist. The link has been given in the description below. Thank you.